In this video, I'm going to teach you how to share Meta Business Manager access. To do that, first head over to business.facebook.com and you should be able to see right here this page. With this, you can just proceed to log in using your Facebook, or you can also log in using your Instagram as well. Now, if you don't have any of them, proceed to click on this Create New Account. If you also have a Manage Meta account, you can also use that to log in by clicking onto this button right here. So make sure to use this if it's available to you. So on this case, let me head over and then log in with my Facebook. Now here is my Meta Business Suite. So under this case, you just need to go to your settings. You can find it on by going to your left hand panel. Click onto the settings right here. Once you're in there, you can see users and click onto this people. And once you have clicked on that, you can just click on this invite people available onto this part. With this, you can just add people using this case by adding right here their email or their name. Add right here their email address. Let me head over and then type their email right here. And then once you have inputted right here their email, just need to head over and then verify if you want to add them full access or temporary access. Let's build them right here a full access and click on next. You can give them partial access for basic or everything. So click on next once you're done with this. Choose right here the Facebook pages as well as ad accounts, catalogs, as well as the pixels that they will be given permission to. I'll choose right here this one only and choose right here the partial access that you want available. Click onto this next option and review this. Click onto this invite. After that, when they accepted this invite, they should be able to have access to this Meta Business Manager. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.